Very short filter and cap welding is done with this machine as well. After welding, the center of gravity of the filter element is shifted to the right. If the normal welding procedure is using, the clamps of the filter body and the end cover will be opened at the same time after welding. In this way, the filter element will directly fall off before the operator can take out the filter element. Aiming at this problem that is easy to be ignored, we have improved the welding procedure. The new welding process is, after welding, only the clamp of the right end cover will be opened, and the clamp of the filter element will still be closed. When the left and right molds are separated, the welded filter element will be clamped by the fixture on the left and will not fall off directly. At this time, the operator can hold the welded filter element with his right hand and press the left green button to open the clamp so as to take out the filter element smoothly. This video shows you the 2-inch long filter welding under improved welding procedure. Longer filters are welding in this machine under same new welding procedure. In this way, when you weld filter element and caps of different lengths, there is no need to make any adjustment in parameters.